Assalamu alaikum all. My name is Huda Kawal. I have been part of Pakistan Youth Forum for the past 2 years when I got on board as an executive board member. My best memory with Pakistan Youth Forum is definitely PYFMU in 2019. The event took place in the month of November last year, and the planning for the event started from September till November. I think I was seeing Pakistan Youth Forum members more than I was seeing my family. So for sure, that's the best memory that I've had, especially the last 1 week before the event, where we spent literally late nights every single day, up until 1 or 2 a.m., making sure the event went well. Yeah, definitely my best memory so far. I wish all the best to Pakistan Youth Forum, and I wish for more memories in the coming years for sure. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Congratulations to the incoming board, new team and thumbs up for the outgoing ones. आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया माशाल्लाह. My best memory was when we first met in University of Sharjah and there were a lot of people in the room. We informed them what we intend on doing and how do we plan on achieving those goals. So that was my best memory. Best of luck to PYF. आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया and keep the spirits high. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Samira Amna, PYF's ex-health secretary, and some of my best moments with PYF were the Wellness Carnival that was held at Census Center, which was the first ever event by PYF for People of Determination, to the book drive where PYF team collected books from different sources and distributed it to different schools, to setting up a reading corner at the labor camp, and a lot more. Wishing PYF a happy, prosperous year.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arslan, and I've been covering a lot of PYF events as an organizing member. I think the greatest event that I have covered and I have good memories were the Pakistan Youth Summit, where we had Ansar Bernie, Sidza Iqbal, Abia Akram, Umair Jaswal come in, and it was a great event with the members, and there was a lot of brainstorming session around. So thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum. My favorite memory with PYF is the behind the scenes of each and every event we organized. The laughs, the chaos, the arguments, the mess ups, and all the friends I made along the way. Happy 5th anniversary PYF. Here's to many more.
Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Saifullah Azim and I've worked with PYF since November 2015. My best memory of PYF is YCP, the Youth Convention of Pakistan. It was an amazing display of teamwork by PYF, and we had an excellent panel of speakers coming from Pakistan, and it was just, I would say, a very impactful moment for us, and it was the peak of PYF at that time, and I really cherish that moment. Thank you.
Hi, so I have quite a few memories with PYF, really good memories, but the best ones would be the post-EB meeting conversations in the parking lot, and of course the badminton games.
Everyone. I've been very lucky to be a part of many events and activities that PYF has held over these years. But for me, the most memorable would be the student education workshops. What made it so memorable was how eager and how happy these students were to learn from us during their school weekends. And I think that made it also worth it for us. PYF has made an amazing impact over the years, and I wish it all the very best in the future.
So fond memories so काफ़ी सारी हैं, but this one I would say is the one that made me feel the most about being a part of PYF. This was from the Youth Arts Convention, and we had the school children come in and their parents were there, and so we had one of the parents ask her like, oh okay, we're here, where do we go from here? And just out of the norm, the way we were speaking about how the whole thing was going to be going, I said, "Oh, I asked the child. I was like, "Oh, are you the artist?" And his face just sort of lit up, and he's like, "Yes." And just me calling him an artist that way, it's just the way his face lit up. Is just, I was like, okay, I've done something. And that's what sort of remained in my mind, the way he looked when I addressed him as an artist. And then I was like, oh, okay, yeah, artists do this way and parents go this way and everything, but it's just that part of it is my favorite memory.
Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Ikra Tariq Mansoor, and I've been very fortunate to be able to witness such a talented, fun and motivated team, which is completely dedicated to make an impact not only on Pakistani youth but the overall youth living in Dubai. And I'm grateful that I had the chance to be able to be around during PYF Modern United Nations. Even though I was a small part of it, but I witnessed such a great hard work, all the late nights and the early mornings by PYF board members, also by the volunteers who participated to meet the deadlines and to make the event very successful and memorable for all of us. I would like to take a chance and congratulate all the new board members, and I wish them all the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Junaid, and to be honest, I've had a lot of great memories with the Pakistan Youth Forum. However, if I had to pick one, it would definitely have to be from the inauguration ceremony of the PYF Modern United Nations 2019. Just the sight of those kids walking up those stairs, holding high the flags of Pakistan, the Pakistan Association Dubai, the Pakistan Youth Forum, and the respective schools. The fact that we've managed to bring all these kids together from all over the UAE, including from as far as Fujairah, Al Ain, that visualization of the result of the efforts that have been put in by all of our members, it was just a great feeling. And what made it even better was once our event was concluded, we got to know from one of the more active school coordinators that they had conducted a similar event, a similar MUN for the girls at their school. And it just goes to show the kind of potential a community platform like the Pakistan Youth Forum has. We're not just given an opportunity for change to these kids within our premises, but we've managed to motivate them enough to take this change back home with them and spread it within their communities. And I think that's something that just stays with you for a while.
My fondest memory from PYF was when a bunch of us, me, Umar Munir, Umar Khattab, Nisma, Jamila, and a bunch of others were working late at night at the Pat Auditorium in preparation for the PYF youth conference, putting up decorations and lighting, and Jamila making me take the lightings up and take them down, put them up again. She didn't like it, so she made me take it down again, and then made me put it up again a bunch of times. And it was tiring, and I wanted to sleep very bad. It was also finals week. But remember, we just wanted to be there very badly because we really wanted to make this event a huge success. And that was the part that really mattered to me a lot. The fact that we cared so much about the event and making PYF a huge thing. So yeah, that's my fondest memory.
Farhad Ali, for the past 2 years, I was the head of media with the executive board at PYF. Favorite memory? I think two moments that stand out for me personally, and both of them were at MUN, which was our flagship event of the tenure. The first, and obviously, MUN, there was a whole build up to it where we went through a lot of ups and downs, a lot of laughter and tears. But then that first morning when the session started, and I remember I was in the General Assembly just standing back, and Raja, who was the president of GA, motioned for the sessions to start, and the way it was so smooth. It just started, and you just had to look at that, and you're like, we've done this. This is what we have provided to the students. This is what we joined PYF for. This is why we are here. And I think that particular moment of satisfaction, of more excitement for the potential, because you could see, not having as much access to Pakistani schools or students, and have been away for a while from that segment, I had not seen the potential. I was even during the build-up, there were things like, "Kya wo ye kar sakenge? Kya hame ye karna chahiye? Can you make it easy for them?" But then to see them jump right into the action and then say things and ask for things, we were just like, okay, we should take a step back. We know these guys know what they're doing. So I think that was the first one. And then when MUN ended and we had the closing ceremony, uske baad there was the executive board and a few of us just sitting there. And there was and you could feel the satisfaction in all of us. There was a smile. There was contentment. You know, that we pulled it off. We did what we had to do. We know we had made a difference to these students. And you know, I can speak for everyone's behalf. I know me personally, as well as everyone, has had students come in and say thank you. Had come in and say we loved it. Had come in and say let's do it again. Had come in and said things about the different topics that were discussed, and it was just like, it was wow. It was to be honest, it was really wow. And just sitting there in that room, seeing everyone's faces, going through, you know, bringing up different things from what we had done during the build-up and during the last 3 days, it just felt like, okay, we had achieved what we had set out for. And I think that was a moment of contentment. It was a moment of satisfaction, and I think that will be my personal high with MU with the whole tenure, and I look forward to a lot more for PYF.
Okay, my favorite memory would have to be when we were setting up for the first day of PYF MUN, and it was almost midnight and we were all extremely exhausted. So Rehan got all of us chai and a huge speaker, and someone put on Billo, and we just sat there and we just breathed in the moment for a bit. It was amazing. Sorry, that's my bird.